Right, here we go. Another unboxing video. Bit of a clue on the box. Let's get it open. I have my friend Stanley with me. Hopefully this will be a bit easier to open compared to my previous unboxing videos. That's the last bit to go. Right, let's turn it around. Look at that. Nothing hidden. There we go. Some Nicoman or Nicoman Spaghetti. No, not really. Yeah. Spaghetti all-weather car mats. I saw a review or a little article in one of my car magazines, and they actually looked really good. Apparently they're very washable, and as it says, the particles of dirt actually fall into the plastic, I guess, itself, and then you can just pick them up, shake them out. Yeah, jobs are good. It's got a nice little heel mat. I keep finding the Canon mats in my car slip, so I thought I'd treat myself. But yeah, as it says, it's got this gecko grip backing, guaranteed non-slip, shake to clean or wash off with a hose, which I may do in the future, maybe even in a future video. But it's also cushioned and sound deadening and hygienic. I like clean things. But yeah, a couple of fronts, a couple of rears. That's pretty much it, really. So let's get them, fit them in the car. I can show you what they look like in the car. Yeah. But I'm impressed already. Out with my trusty Henry. I'm going to give the car a quick hoover before I put my... See, look, I correct myself. A quick vacuum, because hoover is a product, and Henry is not a hoover. But what I'm getting is my mat does that all the time. So whenever I get in and out, really annoying. So the retro mats are coming out. Like I say, quick vacuum, install the new mats, and touch wood, fabric, plastic, all will be good. There we go, in the car. Look how quickly the dirt builds up. Just a transfer of dust. That mark I can't get out. And as I say, the interior is all going to be stripped in the future anyway, but yeah, amazing. Right, let's get my Henry 200 on. Let's do some vacuuming. may go and get the narrow extender, but I'll see how much I can do like this. Just forgetting to clean the pedals. Here you go, showed you before, my mats of choice. Yeah, let's get them unpacked, get them in the car, it's lovely and clean, and see how they go. There we go, mats are in. Car's a little bit cleaner, but it's too cold to clean properly. But yeah, they really do grip. Bang the shoes off. No. Yeah. Yeah. Adjust my seat a second. Plenty of space on the throttle. That's good. Yeah. I like these a lot. I'll see how they are in a few months' time, but I'm suitably impressed already.